Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. This is Gail. Today I have a quick outgoing swap. This is for a die cut swap hosted by Mika Boo and Big Mama Cab 2.0 over on Instagram. And this is Claude. He gets in all my videos. And so basically the requirements were a recipe card with your favorite sweet treat and 10 die cuts embellished, and then a $5 gift and a sweet treat. So basically I just have my favorite cookie recipe here. It's a chocolate crinkles, and I just kind of put some little stickers on there and put it on some double-sided cardstock. And I have just a little card there with a note inside. Alright, so let's get right into it. I have a little gingerbread mug box. Now this is from my scrap chick, and I couldn't get it to work for me the way it was. I don't know if I just didn't have big enough paper, but so I basically used the whipped cream piece and the mug face and just made my own little box to go on there. But this is where I have housed my coffee embellishments. Now we were supposed to do 10 die cuts and 2 of them were supposed to be shakers, but I did tons of shakers. Once I started, I couldn't stop. It was so fun. So I have a little coffee cup here just with a glitter lid and some very old Michael's stickers, a little gingerbread train. And then I made a shaker, which is one of the chipboards. I believe I used Busy Sidewalks and Mittens and Mistletoe, but a mixture of those two collections. So I made, this is why it's good to do videos. I have a little hole here, so I'm going to glue that really quickly. Alright, so hopefully it doesn't get stuck. Okay, so there is that coffee shaker. I have another one that's just flat, so I only have 2 that aren't shakers, and this is one of them. Just a little coffee cup. I added the candy cane detail there. And here's another one with like a little peppermint candy and a gingerbread puffy sticker from the collection. So now I'm downing and I'm trying to make sure that they all are sealed. So until this video ends, I'm going to kind of clip this little thing there so it can close. Okay. So that's my little gingerbread box. I thought I was going to be able to fit, resize the box and get all my embellishments in there, but I was not able to do that. So I just have it in this box because the host is going to open everything and then send it to the recipient. So I just wanted to kind of have everything out. So I'll put some tissue paper down on here and then put this box inside a medium priority box or whatever box I can find that will fit in. And then I have made, this is a pink strawberries tutorial on this little envelope thing, or loaded, I don't know, I can't remember what it's called. I'll try to remember to link the video down below. I have 2 gingerbread men and 2 gingerbread house shakers. I believe these dies are from KS Craft Hannah, all of them, but I can't remember. This die is from last year, and this die is from last year or the year before. I honestly can't remember. So I stuck with traditional colors, 2 little gingerbread houses, and then I have 2 gingerbread cookies. Claude, right now, come on, man. No one wants to see your primordial pooch. No one wants to see your primordial pooch. I'm just kidding, I do, because it's so cute. You're so cute. I love you. Even though you're a bad boy, you're always up in my business. Always all up in my business. Alright, so then in the front little pockets, I have some hot cocoa dies. This die was from this year. I believe KS Crafted. Are you going to bite me? Okay, cool. Wow. Are you seeing this? So I just embellished a little gingerbread guy that came with that die. I used some white gel pen, some Nouveau drops for the cheeks, and just a Sharpie for the buttons. He's getting annoyed. And then I have another one. So this one just has a straw, and the other one had a candy cane. So this one has whipped cream. And this one had all the marshmallows. It was a cute little die. Lots of pieces to that die, though. Some stuff I didn't paper piece on there. I just used the basic ones. And in this, I had to fill this front little pocket. I made this pocket out of vellum. And so I put just a bunch of mini die cuts in there. So I have some of the gingerbread men, the gingerbread houses. Those are, the embossed ones are Cocoa and Reno dies. I have a candy cane and then a little coffee cup. I was going to do these, but then I wasn't happy with how they came out and they were small. So I decided to do the bigger ones. But I had that one made, so I decided to just throw it in there. All right, no, get out of my box. Look who tried to get in the box. I just have some shred and some little, you know, fun pieces in there. No, get out of here, you little turd. I have a Bueno bar and the sweet treat. I just put it in a bag just in case I don't want it to get everything else dirty, just in case. And then for the $5 gift, I have included a bunch of little goodies. Hey, you little jerk. I have some sequins. I got it at Michael's last year, so it's in a little boot. It's cute. These are just some Dollar Tree wood-shaped cutouts for their gingerbread men since it was a sweet treat swap. I have a little candy die here. I ordered this die and it was just way too small for me. I hate paper piecing. Which is why it's surprising I did all these shakers. So I am including that die and then some stickers from Michael's that are sweet candies and go with the die cuts. So that's my little $5 gift. And one of this little bag is from Target Dollar Spot back when they used to have good stuff. Pre-pandemic. Watch it out. Stop it. Oh my gosh. He is really on one today. He is really on one. Hey! I'll go play fetch with you in a little while. Let me get my video done. So that is everything I have created. Like I said, I'm trying not to use as much plastic bags in my crafting. So I'm just going to get some tissue paper to put on top of there, tape this box within another box so that the host can just open it super easily. The hostess, excuse me, can open it super easily and just have everything in there. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll try to link everything. I hope you guys have a great day and thanks for watching.